Hello! Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony ZV-1. This is going to be the new vlogging camera. I did an unboxing of a 6100 and it looks like my battery's about to die real quick, so I really need to do it. Let's open this. This is the box. Boop, 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 boop. The front of it. This is the back. By opening this, there is just paperwork like any other camera, like the last one. This is inside the box. This looks like the microphone cover. This is a micro USB. This would be the battery. And the camera itself right here. It's a small little thing. But let's get the battery. And there. And let's get it turned on. And I'm going to go ahead and do all the setup, and from the next clip I'll be using this camera. Alright, so this is recording off of the Sony ZV-1. This is a brand new vlogging camera, and the reason why I went with Sony was because my other camera is a Sony, and just so it'd be easier with the interface and stuff, just have it all in one. On top of that, this one does record 4K finally. So I would have to say it's time to retire this camera. I think I'm actually going to sell it. If I'm going to be vlogging more often and I want to step up my video quality, this is what I'm going to be doing. And so I feel that would be the best option. Which now I need to replace my memory card. I just forgot about that because this one doesn't support 4K. The memory card I have is only a 32 gigabyte that I bought from a while ago, and it was good for this, but for this camera definitely needs to have more storage. So right now I'm only recording in 1080p 60 frames a second, and I only have about 5 minutes of recording time, so I might have to delete some stuff that I already had backed up. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. This is definitely interesting, doing an unboxing. Yeah, this is definitely interesting, doing an unboxing in the car. I've never really done that before, and it's really hot outside and I don't really want the AC to go on. But if I take this off, I already have this on this little tripod, but it's looking pretty good. The one thing I don't particularly like it is kind of like, how should I say, not as wide, and so I have to put my hand farther out. But other than that, this is it. So this is just the first look, and once I come home, and I will get my other SD card in here, and we will do a full review.